everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. Pretty car, guys. It's finished in the original Olympic gold. It's got the black vinyl interior, the black vinyl top, a healthy 454 motor in it, every bit of 450 horse, guys. 400 trans, 12 bolt rear end. It's actually a factory tack and gauge car. Car came out of Kentucky. It's got 80,000 original miles. Really a fun car to drive. This car's got some get up and go. It's got a 454 cubic inch Chevrolet crate engine in it. You can see it's got the, sorry, not used to the cold here yet, man. It's just bitter cold here right now. As you can see, our weather has severely changed. It's got the BF Goodrich Radial T's all the way around it. It's got, those are 15-inch, the billet SS wheels. Pretty car. It's got all the original T3 headlights in it. Again, this is factory Olympic gold. Vinyl tops in great shape. Just a pretty car, guys. It's got custom package tray. It's got custom sound system. Power rear antenna. See, the car's nice and straight down the sides. Good looking car. Again, those are those 15-inch billet SS rally wheels. It's got the front disc brakes. Again, healthy big block 454 crate engine. Like I say, every bit of 450 horse. You can see it's got the bow tie aluminum intake, does have headers, power steering, power front disc brakes, HEI distributor. It's a 400 turbohydramatic trans. It's got the aluminum radiator with the shroud. Pretty car. It's got the black vinyl interior. These are original door pads. Again, car's got 80,000 original miles, bucket seats, console. $80,000, I think 739 is what it's showing on the odometer. It's a factory tack and gauge car. They're actually running an aftermarket tack in it now. Custom sound system. Sorry, it's dual exhaust. It's got the electronic dumps, 12 bolt 331 limited slip rear end. See, they put the hammer coat in there. Sorry guys, the sun's are when I say hammer coat, they've got that, and then they've sealed it down here. So it silences it a little bit. Factory jack with the spare. Nice and clean underneath. You can see the 12-bolt rear end, the Flowmasters. It's got a good solid body on it. Bunch of new stuff coming too, guys. Unfortunately, we're dealing with the weather, so we'll kind of slowly get it on there, creep it on there. Like I say, this thing runs, guys. Nice little cam to it. That front corner of that hood, I'll have Jay took a look. I think it's up a little bit. There's adjusters on that side. We'll check it. I'm sure you can lower that down a little bit. I'm talking about this right here. Jay just opened up the dumps. Tach works. What do they got working in there, Jay? Can you see it?
Fuel gauge, temp gauge, all the gauges work in there.
All the gauges work there, and then he's got aftermarkets as well. Okay. I hope they can see this here. The sun's right behind us. Always makes it tough when we're trying to shoot this time of day. We know the blower motor works, radio works. Oh, we got a ball valve out front. We'll check it. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page or our Instagram page. Or as always, guys, give us a call, 248-620-3355. It'll run, guys. Have a great day.